Hi guys, so today we are taking garlic bread to the whole new level with the irresistible chicken butter garlic bread. Imagine warm buttery garlic bread loaded with tender pieces of seasoned chicken. This is the ultimate comfort food, perfect for a quick snack, appetizer or even a light meal. We'll be creating a flavor explosion by combining a classic goodness of garlic bread with a savory delight of chicken. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, to fry the garlic in a hot pan, add oil. Then add 6 garlic cloves and fry the garlic until nice and golden brown color. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then take 220 grams chicken breast cut in cubes, add 1 teaspoon lemon juice, add some salt to taste, add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon yogurt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half tablespoon chicken masala, half tablespoon kasuri methi leaves. Then give it a nice mix and marinate it for about half an hour. Then in a hot pan add oil and simply fry the marinated chicken for about 12 to 15 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. Then add 1 stock cube and fry it for about 2 minutes. As you can see, the chicken is nicely cooked. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then take a plate, add the fried garlic which was previously made, add 2 tablespoons butter, then add 1/4 cup chopped coriander leaves, half teaspoon dried red chili flakes, and simply use a fork to mash everything together. So the butter garlic spread is ready. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then in a baking tray add some oil and brush it nicely. Then simply take 6 sliced bread and place it onto the baking tray as shown. Then add the butter garlic which was previously made and simply spread it nicely onto the sliced bread. Then add the fried chicken and top it up with some grated cheddar cheese. Make sure to cover it properly, even on the sides. Then simply bake it in the oven at 200 degrees centigrade for about 10 to 12 minutes or until it is nice and golden brown. So the chicken butter garlic bread is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then cut it according to the desired shape. And there you have it guys, a truly irresistible chicken butter garlic bread. Be sure to let me know in the comments below how your version turned out. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for chicken butter garlic bread as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. It's a perfect blend of comfort and flavor, and I know you will love it. I hope you'll try this recipe at home and enjoy it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.